Hello, from Executive Communication Systems. My name is Mark. Today, we are going to show you the ECS-OHUSB WordSlinger Transcription Headset Ear Cushions and how to use them. Inside each package, you will receive 6 ear cushions. The outer diameter of these ear cushions are 2.5 inches. The inner diameter is 1 1/8 inch, with 1/2 inch of foam padding. These ear cushions have a soft, velvet-like surface designed for comfort for those long hours transcribing. The back of the ear cushions have a durable reinforced fabric that grips the speaker section of your headset. But over time, your WordSlinger headset's ear cushions can deteriorate depending on the conditions they are exposed to, such as makeup, lotion, skin oils, and high humidity. Because of this, replacing your WordSlinger's headset's ear cushions may be necessary. We are going to show you how to replace the ear cushions on your WordSlinger headset. First, turn the ear section over to the back and create a crescent-shaped pattern using the reinforced fabric, like so. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will call this section of the fabric the skirt. Now, starting from here, gently but firmly insert the skirt between 2 exposed channels on the headset speaker, between the black and gray section. And it should just slide in like so. Now, using one hand to hold the cushion in place, I'm now going to use my other hand to feed the remaining skirt into the exposed channel. The fabric is durable, but can rip from the seams if stretched too far. Remember to be firm but gentle. Once done, give your ear cushion a twist, rotating along the headset speaker to ensure that it has been properly replaced. And that's it. Oh, and one more thing. We also have a pair of leatherette ear cushions available for purchase. Do a search for the ECS-OHUSBHM leatherette ear cushions. From all of us at Executive Communication Systems, we very much appreciate your interests in our products and our company. Thank you.